Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this meatball sauce and spaghetti. Please do stay tuned, watch till end, and if you like this video, give it thumbs up, share, and also comment down below. I'll be adding 500 grams hacked meat, that is a minced meat. Then I'll also add 1 spoon breadcrumbs, 1 spoon, this little spoon garlic powder, black pepper, some onions. I prefer using the fresh. You can also use the dried one. Maggi seasoning, the bouillon cubes, I'll be using half of it, and also petersilie. Then 1 egg for easy mixture. And then I'll be using a spoon to mix all together. After mixing, this is what I have. I'm setting this aside, and I'll be preparing my pan. Add a little bit of oil into it, allow it to get hot, and then I'll take my mixture, roll it to small ball form, and then add to my pan. I'm going to do this and fry this evenly. When one side is okay, I'll be turning to the other side to make sure this meatball is adequately fried and cooked all together. Now this batch is okay. I'll be adding the second batch, and this I will cook just like the first one. Turn to the other side when one side is properly cooked, and then set aside. I'm taking all these ones out now, and I'll be preparing my sauce after this. Still going to use this pan. I'll add some onions to it. Also add garlic, and also I'll be adding chili pepper. Fry all together, and I'll be opening my 2 canned tomatoes. This form, I'll be pouring it into the pot and allow to fry well. After pouring this, I'm going to mix it all together and fry. This is what we have now. You can see I'll be adding also oregano or thyme, whichever you want you have, and also salt. The remaining half bouillon cubes, I'm going to add it and then stir gently while this is cooking. I pour in my meatballs, and then I'll lightly spread them without stirring. Cover it now and allow it to cook all together. Now this is cooking. You can see now our meatball tomato sauce. Children love this particular sauce, they enjoy it a lot. You make this and enjoy with your spaghetti. It tastes so good. I'm going to check for salt or taste, and it is perfect. I'll be adding my spring onions. I like adding this. It gives it more color and also unique taste from the spring onions. Mix all together. Allow it to steam a bit. Cover and set aside. Now I'm serving this now with my spaghetti, and it tasted so good, so yummy and lovely. Please, at this stage, if you've watched to this stage, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and God bless you. Also subscribe to this channel